So when we got home from church today, I decided to take a little nap, and my little nap turned out to be like 3.5, 4 hours. So, you think that long? How long do you think I napped?
I don't know, maybe not that long.
And Benny took maybe a 2-3 hour nap, I don't know. But we are going to school now to print out some stuff and to just check on our classrooms. We still got to get our classrooms all set up and get everything prepped for the first of the year. But we're just going to do a little bit today, probably just print out stuff today. But that's what we're doing, and we've just been lazy today. We had a good day at church. Sunday school was really good, and the sermon was really good. And then we got groceries, and we did get Ben some green beans. That's the only green food they had beside peas, and his, like I said, his cousin has peas, so I don't know. We got him some fruit too to try since they just had green beans. So we'll do the green beans, and then we'll start him trying the fruits too to see how he likes that. But that's all we got. So these are all of our canning fruits for tomatoes. We already put the pickles up, but this is all the tomato sauce we've gotten so far. About to put these up, and I'm gonna make Ben some food. Last night, I've been giving him rice cereal at supper, and last night I added some pumpkin to it, so I'm gonna do it again. He has some pumpkin left. So I'm gonna add some pumpkin to his rice cereal, and hopefully he will eat it, because he needs to eat and then have his bottle and go to bed because it is late. So here's his food. I kind of eyeballed it. It's like a teaspoon of pumpkin in there, maybe a tablespoon of rice, and then of course I mix it with his formula, so he's got that for when he's done eating this. But we'll see how he eats tonight since it's so late and he hasn't had his and he's actually ready for his bottle. So usually he has this an hour or two before this, so we'll see how it goes tonight. Woo-hoo-hoo! Good job. You want to smell? Give me sugars. Give me some sugars. Mmm, so sweet. This cheek? Mmm. So sweet. He's such a good sugar giver. Mmm, it's so nice. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you so much.
Do the typewriter. Tick, 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 ding. Shh. Tick, 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 ding. Shh. Tick, 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 ding. Uh-oh, correction tape. Correction tape. Whoa, it's too much.
See if he'll give you sugars, Daddy.
Give Daddy kisses.
Daddy sugars.
Oh, those are so good.
sweet.
How about this side? Over here. Hey.
Benny, give Daddy
Hey.
sugars.
Whistle bridges. Over here. I gave you a kiss.